12. In an office, the number of male employees and the number of female employees in a ratio 2:3. Okay, remember they did not say there are 10 male employee and 30 female employee like that. Okay, since we don't know, we'll take it to be 2A and 3A. All right, what is the question asking us? What is the percentage of male employees in the office in terms of percentage? Okay, so now when you look at the ratio here, 2:3, when you add 2 plus 3, what do we get? We get 5, right? So the question is trying to give us a clue that out of every 5 people in the office, 2 are always male and 3 are always female. Okay, so that's why you can see our total number of employee. When I add them, we're going to get it to be equal to 5A, right? Now let us find the percentage of male employee. So how do you do this? Number of male employees divided by total employees into 100. Okay, because remember there's asked us to find in terms of percentage. Okay, so you can see the percentage there. The number of male employees we do not know, so what did we take it to be equal to? 2A, right? So you can see 2A. What about the total number of employee? We took it to be equal to 5A, right? And I can cancel this A, and 5 on the 5 2s are 10, right? I'm going to have 2 into 20. Okay, this will be here inside the bracket here. Then 2 into 20, when you multiply, we're going to get it to be equal to 40%, which means the percentage of male employee in the office is 40%. In other words, 60% are female employees. Let's do one more. In a school, there are 990 girl students, clear, and 55% boy students. That's going to ask to find the number of boy students in the class. Okay, so once again, remember, we do not know the total number of students here in the school, right? So we'll take it to be A now, right? So number of boy students, what did they say? 55%, right? If 55% are boy students, then we can say that 45% of the total students are girl students. Okay, so if we try to find it in terms of percentage, 100 minus 55, then we'll get the number of girl students equals what percentage? 45%. Okay, so now we'll try to, from this 45%, we'll try to find the total number of students in the school, right? Okay, so now 45% of the total students are girls, right? And we don't need to find out this 45%. Why? They've already told us equals how much? 990. Okay, so 45% of total students are girls, equal to how much? How many girls? 990, right? 45% means simply 45 by 100, right? And total students, we took it to be equal to small a. Okay, so now once we've written it, we'll do cross multiplication. This 100 will go up, this 45 will go down. Okay, now let us try to divide. So 990 into 100 by 45, right? Then 5 9s are 45, 5 2s are 10, then 9 1s are 9, 9 1s are 9, 9 1s are 9, 0, right? I'm going to have 110 into 2. Okay, and if you 110 into 20, that is what we'll be getting. And if you multiply, then I'm going to get here 2 1s are 2 1s are, and then 2 0, right? So now we know the total number of students in the school is how much? 2,200, right? Now they're asking us to find a number of girls, a number of boy students. We already know the number of girl students, how much? 990. And that means in order to find a number of boy students, we just have to subtract it with the total students in the school. Okay, so total number of boy students equals total students in the school minus the number of girl students, right? So the total number of students was how much? We just got it to be equal to 2,200. The girl, they have already given us 990. So let us subtract now. 0 0 and then 990, right? Subtracting 0 minus 0 is 0, and then the next, this is 2 less, we will borrow from it, this will become 1, this will be 10, right? 10 minus 1, 10 minus 9 is 1. Once again, this 1 is too small, we will borrow, this will become 1, this will be 11, right? 11 minus, now I get here 2, and then 1 is remaining. Okay, so there is how we'll get the number of boy students in the school is how much? 1,210.